Do-it-yourself basic, double-slit experiment kits. With general materials. 1. Draw a center line on a long strip of laminated wood. 7 cm x 80 cm. It can be bigger in dimensions. One edge has water paint that left and right will not mix up. 2. Cut the wood into 7 sections. One base 7 cm x 60 cm. 5 stands 7 cm x 2.5 cm. One laser stands 7 cm x 6 cm. Note: recycled wood, please ignore holes. 3. I stick cardboards each 7 cm x 10 cm to the back of the 5 stands as screens with doubled-sided tape. 4. Extend the vertical line from the base to the screen with pencil. 5. Draw a temporary horizontal line 6.5 cm from the bottom. 6. Glue the laser timber on the center line of the base. 7. Mount the laser pointer on the timber with Play-Doh. No glue yet. Note: ensure batteries can be replaced in the future. 8. Move the laser pointer slightly until it point at the same point. At A and B, the alignment is done. 9. I then glue the laser pointer with glue gun permanently. 10. Double slit, hair sample. A thick paper 4 cm x 8 cm. B 1 cm square hole. C sticky tape a hair. In the middle. D masking tape. As close as possible. On both sides of hair. 11. Double slit stand. A pointer spot as center, cut A. 1 cm square. B glue thick paper as slit holder as shown. 12. Double slit experiment is ready. Note: may use wall as backscreen or paste on stand a piece of fine paper. DIY double slit experiment kits Part 2. Part 2. Improvement and Poisson experiment. 2.1 hands-free laser pointer. Velcro cable tie is used to keep laser pointer on without holding the button. 2.2 double slit sample holding stand. Sample vertical alignment is also possible. 2.3.1 result of Poisson spot experiment. The projection size is about 2 cm. The shadow of the steel ball is about 1 cm. The center light spot seems to be light going along the radii towards the center. Light accumulates at and near the center. 2.3.2 Equipment details. 2.3.2.1 stands. The focus of light of this device is about 6.5 cm from the bottom. To alight, move sample up or down and the stand left or right. 2.3.2.2 Red laser pointer. Velcro cable tie is used to turn on, off the laser pointer. 2.3.2.3 Biconvex lens diameter 2.5 cm. 2.3.2.4 Steel ball diameter 3 mm. The ball is placed on the top of a magnetized pin, in the middle of a punch hole 6 mm in diameter. 2.3 Poisson spot experiment. 2.3.3 Equipment setup. Laser pointer to lens 3.5 cm. Lens to steel ball is 50 cm. Ball to shadow is 100 cm. Laser pointer to shadow is about 154 cm. Part 2. Improvement and Poisson experiment. 2.3 Poisson spot experiment. 2.3.4 experiment. Bright spot is observable at night with the ceiling light on or off. The universe as Seeping 2. Free ebook download link in video description. Thank you for watching.